Hello, join me on this episode as I make my inspired curry potato salad. The San Francisco Bay Area. Okay, so for the curry potato, I am using russet potatoes. It has a really great russet flavor, and it also adds a nice creamy texture. So I'm going to be using this one. Don't forget to wash your potatoes. Okay, you can use the potato peeler if you like, but for me, I like to use my knife. Plus, I like to leave a little bit of the skin on just to add a little bit more texture to it. Okay, so we're going to do medium large dice on this one. Reason being is because I still like to have some chunks left on it, and also it will give it a much nice texture. For the curry potato salad, I will be using 4 large russet potatoes. To the water, I will be adding pink Himalaya rock salt for a great flavor. That way, I do not have to over salt my curry potato salad. Here I'm using a purple onion, and I will dice this fine dice or small dice. That way it'll add a really nice crunch and a great acidity taste to the curry. Okay, so I'm assembling my curry potato salad. I'm going to use lime. Don't forget lime. If you squeeze a little bit like this here, you can get all the good flavors and juice out of that. Go ahead and add my lime to it now. The reason why I'm using lime is because I'm not using mayonnaise. So you need a little bit more citrus on there. When you're not doing that, I'm going to add some of my rice wine vinegar and a little olive oil to it. Okay. Then instead of using mayonnaise, like I said, I'm using yogurt. So on this one here, I am using plain Greek organic yogurt. So I say here probably about maybe a cup and a half of yogurt. Now curry, you can use your dry curry spice, but when you do that, you'll have to toast it a little bit. If you go to the store, you can find a yellow curry sauce that's already pre-made. That's the one that I like to use. This one has yellow curry and coconut milk, my favorite. So about this one here, I use about a half a cup on that. Look how beautiful that is. It smells good. Okay, so the chopped red onion, don't forget about that. That's about a cup of that. And the celery, about a half a cup of your chopped celery there. Let's add a little bit of white sugar so we can knock out that tang to it, and all the flavors and everything will be able to come together. I have my pink Himalaya sauce. All right, probably about 2 or 3 pinches of that. You can do that to flavor. And then we have to have our black pepper, yes. So about a pinch, okay, 2 pinches of that right there. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a nice mix. Look how beautiful this is. This is a really simple potato salad. You know, like I said, I did not use mayonnaise. I decided to use yogurt. Yogurt's going to give it more like a light flavor, but with the lime juice, it adds that acidity that you need to it, and it is going to come out wonderful. So look, when I chopped up my potatoes, remember I did a large dice and a medium dice. That way some of the potatoes cooked down and gave it like that. Look at that. And then you have some nice big potatoes like this here. This is beautiful. Look at this. I wish you could just smell it. It smells so good and delicious. All right, again, salt to taste, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. It smells wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up. And that coconut milk is just giving it a nice creaminess. because remember, we did not use the mayonnaise. We used the Greek yogurt instead. Okay, I'm gonna pile it nice and high. You can see the beautiful color from the red onion, the green from the celery. Look how beautiful that is. And then remember, do not throw away your celery leaf. No, 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 no. We're gonna put that right on top, just like this. Look how beautiful that is. That is gorgeous. And then I'm gonna go on top again with a little bit of my pink Himalayan salt to give it kind of like that little bite. All right, and here we are. This is beautiful. Here we are, curry potato salad with Greek organic yogurt.